Today, we will be figuring out what weapon is best for completing a chicken run. Well, let's go. All right, let's get some supplies. The first weapon we will be attempting to use is a stick.
Stick. Perfect. Dang it.
Did you just try to put a stick in a quiver?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go.
This update has moved everything around. I have no idea where it's at. I think it's in the same
You're just so noob, Carter.
You're gonna die.
Yeah. Okay. You don't scare. Okay.
Yep.
The pug's gone. The pug's gone, bro.
What happened to him?
I don't know.
Did he get to eat it or did he run away? I hear him.
Hey,
I see him.
where's your stick? Oh, it's on your back. All right. All right, boys. See this man?
Ah, I'm gonna.
Oh shoot! Oh! But at what cost? I'm selling this egg, bro. Come on, we got eggs to sell. Boom!
Wait. Let me sell my ruby. This is like a. I built it!
The next weapon we will be using to defeat the chicken is the ogre hands. Let's go.
I got you! Wait, Come here, let me give you a boost.
Give me a boost. Give me a boost.
Oh no! How did he miss every single one?
I'm just that good. Oh my god!
I sent him flying. Let me give you a boost.
Guys,
Bye. What's up, Honestly, I don't even think this thing does any damage.
No, there's no way. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Get the chicken. Jump it, jump it, jump it.
That thing does no damage. We are never doing the freaking ogre hands ever again.
All right, the next weapon we are using is the frying pan.
Oh yeah!
All right, let's go.
I'm gonna make some good eggs with this, you know?
You could totally. Wait. Hang on. Once we come back, we gotta get the egg and then cook it.
Look at this guy.
We're not weaving. We're just gonna weave. I'm not weaving. Ah shit!
All right, guys, we got this.
Oh!
Easy mode. Guys, we gotta go and cook. Hold on, let's go cook that up in the selling machine.
Let's go. Guys, we're gonna have to weave again.
No, I got you.
Dang, he got us.
Like Duke and Dennis. He's got everyone. Well, at least we came out alive and we didn't die like the last 2 times.
Nah, well, you died the last 2 times.
Same with everyone else.
No, we didn't. I didn't die the first time.
Hey, we're supposed to cook it.
Yo, we need
Kobe.
to cook it up.
Cook it or get it.
Yo, can someone turn on the burners?
Yeah, I got
The next weapon is the crossbow.
you. Nope.
I don't know
I'm a
about
little
you.
broke on money right now. I'm a little broke.
Let me check your Cash App, bro. Let me see. Bang! Ooh, cooked.
So I only have enough for best number ever.
You're broke! You're fucking poor!
Oh, you need some cash. Look at me, dog.
Luckily-
You're brokey.
Bro said, look at me, dog.
Wait, you have arrows?
Yes, I got arrows. Do you want some?
No, I'm good.
Bro's got the poor man's arrows. A nice going, bro.
Why are you going for me?
I killed him. Yeah, only me.
What's
Wait,
this?
you got something right here. You know I got the boy with me?
Bro got the boing. Could never be me.
Did he die?
Yeah, he got thrown. Bro, this kid's crashing out. The next logical run is obviously a baseball bat.
Oh yeah.
All right, y'all ready for this?
So, I'm a little broke on cash. So lend me a 50.
I bet.
Weave, I died.
What a loser. You're a freak.
Hey, can I have my bat back?
That's, dude. We don't. No one has your bat. You can just watch.
Like, what's up, dude? Can't stop me now.
Fire.
They can't stop me now.
Fight.
Alright, let's go.
No, not me again.
I'm done. Help me.
Oh, I got you!
No way. What a G.
See, I got you.
Did you just say you were Spider-Man?
Yes, bro, did you not see what I just did to this man?
You freaking sped, man.
I'm Spider-Man!
Oh, we're gonna cover you. Baseball!
1,000,
You'll never get to see.
maybe.
The final weapon is the crowbar.
You're welcome.
Can you slide me a
You-
No,
Ready?
wait. We need Pug to get here.
Like, what's the danger?
Guys.
Our moneymaker died! God dang it, moneymaker!
Is that really all I am to you?
Yeah, here, I'll slide you a fee. There you go.
You put a freaking paper towel roll in there?
I don't. This is my story!
Oh my god. Well, that makes it for today's video. Catch you next time.